Welcome to the Sizzle Zone. Today, we're cracking, sizzling, and serving up the perfect fried egg. Let's get that yolk just right. Crispy edges, golden goodness. Let's fry. First up, grab a fresh egg. If you've got one from the farm, even better. Place your non-stick pan on medium-low heat. You don't want to rush this. Add a teaspoon of butter or a little oil and let it melt and coat the pan. Now crack your egg into a small bowl first, just in case any shell sneaks in. Then gently slide it into the pan. No stress, no mess. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you like your yolk runny, don't touch it. Want it more done? Just give it a little more time. For crispy edges, turn the heat up just a bit after a minute. Here's a cool trick. Tilt the pan and spoon a little of that hot butter over the top of the egg. That'll help cook the top without flipping it, and it adds flavor too. Time to season. A little salt and black pepper go a long way. Or get creative. Chili flakes, garlic powder, herbs, whatever you like. And just like that, we've got the perfect fried egg. Simple, golden, and delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty bites. See you in the next one.